How to fix notification sound not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, turn on notification sound. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search messages app. Now click on messages app, scroll down, click on notification, and if you want to turn on notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two option, power off or reboot, and if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After this icon swipe down, restart device. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you see app, search messages app. Now click on messages app, scroll down. Now here you will see clear cache and clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear default. After click on clear default, message will be clear cache from your phone, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, message app data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on search bar, search update software, and click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sound not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.